Snowcastle Cats here, and it looks like I've got some helpers, some assistant cleaners. As you can see, it's time to clean the little room, and my Hoover, or my vacuum cleaner, has been accosted by many British Shorthair Kittens who think that, oh, what a wonderful game this must be to play with the Hoover. Eh? They're all very interested in what's going on. I turn my eye for 1 minute and they mob me. But unfortunately I need to press on and do some cleaning, so I'll have to get them a different toy. How you doing? It's Snowcastle Cats here. We are at the cleaning the house stage that occurs every morning because we have a lot of cats and they keep us very, very busy. There's Leo there. Okay guys, well I must press on, but I'll hopefully post some more videos today, and I will see you in the next video. As long as Leo here can help me clean up the house, or at least I'll be happy if they don't make a mess. But I can't guarantee that. From Snowcastle Cats, see you in the next video. Bye.